crafty friends. I have some cards to share with you today that I created using the brand new Hello Spring kit from Peekaboo Creek Designs. I made 6 pop-up cards, and they are all for Mother's Day. When my friend was designing this kit, she sent me samples and, we talk about things. And I said, could you make some sentiments? I think these papers are beautiful for Mother's Day cards. So she made some sentiments. They're on a white background. So what you would do is find a paper in the collection that you like, print it, and then put it back in your printer and then print the sentiments on it. And voila, this is how you get that sentiment. Okay, I guess we're going to start with this one. This is a, I don't know what you'd call this, maybe like a little folio card. It opens, well, let me show you. It has a 1/4-inch gusset. There's the back. And it opens like this. So on this side, you have this little sentiment card that comes with the collection. It says, softly falling petals, so light, dancing in the morning bright. Spring has come with gentle grace, painting smiles on every face. And then that opens up like that. Oh. And then this pulls down. And that pops up like that. So there are 2 layers of pop-up in this. So when it folds up like that, and then it pops up like that. And that is magnetized to hold it closed. And then on this side, you have this little pocket, Spring Blessings, and you got the little chipmunks and the bird. And then I have this mason jar that I fussy cut, and this is where you would write your message to your mom. I mean, what mom would not love this card, right? Okay, card number 1. Let's put that back there. And let's skip around a little bit. We'll do this one. So this is a gatefold card, and it has a belly band that holds it closed. So here's another one of the Happy Mother's Day sentiments. There's also birthday ones and spring ones and all different kinds of sentiments with this collection. And I told her that I loved that, and I recommend she do it in every kit. And that way, if you want to make a journal with it, fantastic. And if you want to make cards with it, you got some sentiments to get that ball rolling. So to open this card, you would just slide the belly band off. And then you can see the pretty paper. And then it opens up. So you can see how it's flat. And then the mushrooms are the pop-ups. This is kind of busy. I mean, I did use really busy paper, but look how that sits. And then again, I used another mason jar as the pull-out tag for you to write your message. And when you pull that out, it says, live life in full bloom. And then this pocket it comes in the collection pre-made for you. So that is our second card. So you can put this belly band on from the top or from the bottom. It doesn't matter. As long as you can get it back on. There we go. All right. Okay. We'll go with this one. So Happy Mother's Day. And the beautiful papers. Just beautiful spring florals. Okay. This is magnetized. And I magnetized this one because the pop-up was wanting it to pop up. So this is just a single fold card. And it pops up like that. So there are 3 pop-ups. There's this bottom one, there's this one, and then there's a tall one in the back So it's hard to show on video. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 fussy cut items, and then a place to write your message there. And then it's magnetized. So, all right. So we'll go back to one like this, and this is the one that has the little gusset. There's the back with the pretty mushrooms. And this opens up like that. And this over here is magnetized. And it says, there is a hush before the bloom, a pause between the frost and June, where something stirs beneath the ground without a single spoken sound. And then at last the petals rise. Ooh, so sorry. To meet the sun and open skies, a perfect, fragile, fleeting, perfect thing, the quiet miracle of spring. And this opens up, and there is your pop-up. So I wanted to do pop-ups in different ways, and then it says Happy Spring, which is perfect for all the floral, and yeah, and then that magnetizes shut. And then here we've got a pocket. This is a fussy cut, and these are 2 fussy cuts that I kind of glued to put that whole thing in the background. Then we have another mason jar, and I just used a fussy cut bow on there. So there's that one. In case you don't know, all my cards get listed on Etsy. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these cards, my Etsy link is in the description box down below. Okay, and we'll do another gatefold card with Happy Mother's Day and 2 fussy cut images there. And then we'll slide off the belly band. There's the back. And this opens. I love this one because I super love how that looks like it's watering the flowers, right? Oh, I love it. And then, we got a butterfly there. And then this one I printed this tag, and it says, the garden hums with life anew in shades of blush and tender blue. Each petal holds a fleeting grace, a moment time cannot replace. And though they fall, as all things do, they leave behind a brighter view, a reminder, soft yet clear, that spring's beauty always lingers here. And I thought this is just a perfect collection to me for Mother's Day. I love it. So you would write your message on the back of that. I love this one. This one might be my favorite. I wish my mom was still around so I could send it to her. So there we go. All right. The last card is, it's different. It's a 5x7. The other ones are all 6x6. So, yeah, I just had this scrap I had cut for one of the other things, and I thought, what a pretty scrap. I will use that. And so I made this 5x7. This time I just used a sentiment that says hello. So there are some generic sentiments in this collection that you can use for all kinds of purposes, not just Mother's Day. Okay, and this one just simply opens like this. This was also another scrap that I had left over from making the other cards, and I thought it was really pretty. And there is your pop-up. Spring. Spring is a reminder of how beautiful change can be. And I added another butterfly stamp there and a butterfly stamp here. And this is where you'd write your message. Is this magnetized? This one's not. So there are my Hello Spring cards. I hope you like them. I'd love to hear which style that you like, and if you really like the pop-up cards. If you do, I will keep making pop-up cards because they are fun and I enjoy them immensely. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Head on over to my Etsy store. It might be tomorrow morning before these are listed, but they will be listed. So Thanks for watching. The link to Peekaboo Creek Designs is in the description box down below the video. Be sure to go over there and check out this collection and all the others that she has. Thanks for watching.